Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're ready for our spelling lesson, and today's lesson is about the double consonants. Okay, so first of all, we all know that a word is made of a group of letters and pronounced with a group of sounds. It could be one sound like chair, and it could be two sounds like table, table, or it could be more like beautiful. So the thing is that each sound, we call it a syllable. A syllable is defined in one single beat. So we all remember when we used to put our hand under our chin to make each syllable. So one of the ways to make this beat also is to clap hands in a regular manner, like this. Let's make a small practice. Dog, dog, dog. So we noticed it took only one clap, this means one beat, and hence it's one syllable. Now pencil, pencil. It took how many claps? Two claps. So this means it's made of two syllables. Beautiful, beautiful. It took how many claps? Three claps. So this means it's made of three syllables. Excellent. Now, some of the two syllables words happen to have a short vowel sound in the first syllable. For example, apple, apple. So we notice in the first syllable we have the sound short A, which is a, apple. Or butter. In butter we have the short U sound, butter, okay? Or the short O in cotton, cotton, cotton. Or the short E sound, lesson, 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 or the short I sound, like kitten, kitten, kitten. So these words are often spelled with double consonants. And when splitting into syllables, we split the double consonants apart, like this. So when dividing into two syllables, we divide them in between the two consonants, like apple, supper, cotton, lesson. And the double consonant is pronounced as one single sound. So I don't say grill, just grill. Now let's make a small practice. Write the following words and break them into syllable. We will start with glasses. So write them down and try to break them into syllables. Correct, this is the answer. Now, message. And this would be the answer. You're doing excellent, students. And the last word, willow. Now we are going to learn some new words happening to have some double consonants in the middle. And these, you would be using them for your homework. The first word is supper. Now let's break it together. Supper. It took us 2 syllables, and we noticed we divided it in between the two syllables, the two consonants, sorry. And we noticed that in the first syllable we have the sound, the short U vowel. Supper. And the supper is the dinner. The next word is happen. Happen. Also, it's made of 2 syllables, and in the first syllable we have the short A. Now the word pepper, which is a kind of spices. Pepper. Now this word has in its first syllable the short E sound. Pepper. Dinner. Dinner. So here we have 2 syllables, and in the first syllable we have the short I sound. Dinner. Now the word cotton. The word cotton. Cotton. It is made of 2 syllables, and in the first syllable we have the short O sound. And also when dividing, we split it in between the 2 T's. The word lesson. Ready? Lesson. So also in lesson, we split it in between the 2 S's, and we notice that we have the E sound, the short E sound. In mitten, we have bottom, which means like the bottom of a bottle. Summer, we all love summer and so excited. Better. In kitten, what is the short vowel in the first syllable in kitten? It's short I. Excellent. Sudden. What is the short vowel here? It's a. Short U. Ladder. And ribbon. So make sure that you know all these words because you will be using them. And now you're a syllable breaker expert. Good job, boys and girls.